Welcome to Tuscany. Rolling hills, medieval villages, art, and let's be honest, some of the best wine in the world. If you're planning a trip here, you have to do a wine tasting. It's basically a rule. Today, I'm taking you somewhere special, Villa La Ripa, just outside of the city of Arezzo. And let me tell you, this wasn't just a tasting, it was an experience. We met Marius, our awesome host. He gave us the inside scoop on how they make their wine. And it's serious business. Every single detail matters, and they work 24/7 to keep the standards sky high. The best part? Our group was tiny, just 3 of us, so the whole tour felt super personal, plus we had lunch outside under the Tuscan sun. An absolute dream.
That means a stem remover. Takes out the stem, let only the bubbles, the good forms of bubbles. If they are too small, you develop gufa, mold, when it's warm and when it's rain outside. And if it's covered by the leaves,
Oh yeah.
sure you will have mold. The barrel, it was treated different because in Chianti, in Sangiovese, you will feel more vanilla things. Like spicy as the cinnamon.
And this
But
wood,
here in Cabernet, you will taste some chocolate, dark chocolate.
and the difference in the wood is what?
Yeah, both are oak, but the way they treat the oak is
Ah.
different. Yeah.
Interesting.
Alright, let's talk about lunch, because wow, they didn't hold back. We kicked things off with their own extra virgin olive oil, super intense, super flavorful, and they pair it with a glass of their sparkling wine, zero problem, and yeah, it lived up to the name, zero problems here. Next up, the charcuterie and cheese board. Cured meats, pecorino cheese with truffle, and confession time, I'm usually not a big cheese person, but this, I totally loved it. We sipped their own white wine, Namaste, and it was smooth and balanced, just perfect with their food.
To make the flour, yeah, looks like those. Yeah. Up here.
Then came the main event, homemade lasagna. Rich, comforting, everything you dream of an Italian meal. And it was paired with their bold red wine called Psycho. The name made me laugh, but they taste seriously legit. And finally dessert, a sweet little almond treat paired with the rosé Spazio Libero. Simple, elegant, the perfect ending. And get this, the whole experience, lunch, wines, everything just for 55 euros per person. After lunch, we wandered through the vineyards, soaking the views, the calm, the vibe. We even got a peek of the villa where the owners actually live. It honestly felt like one of those is this real life kind of days. So, if you're ever in this part of Italy, definitely check out Villa La Ripa. I dropped their website link down below if you want to book directly. And hey, if you enjoyed this little escape, don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe share it with a fellow wine lover. See you the next time. Pura vida. Ciao.